This thing is awesome. I can't wait to set this thing up. So I just wanted to unbox it. I have not opened it yet, so you guys are seeing it for the first time that I'm seeing it. And it looks like there's a little sticker right there. On top right here is a set of instructions that just kind of goes over. This thing does have an app with it, by the way, and I'll have to download the app and show you all that. This is a user manual. It looks like there's the QR code for the app, and then here's the unit itself. And you're asking, what is this thing? Well, what it is, it's a pet feeder system. So let's just take it. Oh, wow, it's got little stickers there. Cleaner brush, and then this is a USB-C. Open it up here, so your snacks will go in here, and then what it does, it launches the snacks out. It looks like so this is the size of treat, so it actually gives you a little thing to put right here to see the size of treat that you would use. And then it actually picks them up with this camera, and then when they walk by, it will shoot one out so they can pick it up. I got to download the app and get a few other things, but I'm excited to get this thing going. Meowant, and I have a dog and a cat, so I have one of each. Brought it in the house, and I'm going to show y'all how I set it up. I've already set this thing up and used it a few times, and I can tell y'all it is absolutely amazing. Let me just kind of like go over the unit itself right here. So now I have it set up. You know, you're looking over the instructions. A solid blue means it's online and in use. Flashing red means it's waiting for connection. Flashing red, quickly setting up. Solid red, you need to boot it. And there is a reset button. And there's the camera right here. There's the reset button right there. And it has the power brick and a USB-C cable, but check it out, everybody. For the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use my VGAR. This is a 100-watt power bank, and it actually makes this thing remote. That was really cool that using that, I can move it anywhere, and it just plugs in USB-C here, and it's working just fine with this power bank. Let me kind of like pull up the app, because I'm not gonna go over a lot of the instructions. You're gonna download the app right here, and then you're gonna set it all up, and it was super simple to set up, everybody. I had this thing set up in a matter of 5 minutes. Once you hook it up to the Wi-Fi and do all that, let me show you where the app is. The app's called the Safe View, and when you click on the app, you see how it pulls it up right here. Hit that right there. And this is connected with 5G. It connects with 2.4 gigahertz or 5G. And check it out. That is 100%. You see right here, see my hand? There is 100% out of this camera. And this thing is awesome. Check it out. You move it like this. See how I can move it around? There's a little voice. There's two ways of doing it. You can use your own voice like this. Testing. Testing. This thing talks. Remo. 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 Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty. Both of them have actually got used to it. There's a speaker. Let me go ahead and stop this. To stop it, you just hit it like that. There's a speaker right here on the side. And everybody, what I put in it are these treats right here. I use these Temptation treats. Both the cat, you know, Maximo and Remo both like these treats. And all you do, because of the size of them, look how they just go down in there perfectly. So I mix and match those treats. And while I got it open here, I want y'all to see there's a SD card slot right here that I put an SD card in so I can film. But it records on your phone. And then you have a cleaning brush. You'll open this up right here and clean out. Let me just show y'all exactly how this works. So let's say I'm at work or I'm away somewhere. And this helps with separation anxiety for the cat, for the dog, and all that. So watch this. First thing I'm going to do is hit that. And then I'm going to line up the treats. I'm going to line it up. And then watch this, everybody. Hold that down. Now, see, as long as it's held down, now watch. He knows. Both of them have figured out. Watch. Let me do that one more time. Both of them have figured out that now these treats come when they hear this sound. This is so fun. No matter where I'm at in the world, I can do this. And I can see what they're up to. He hates that collar, by the way. I got a new collar on him, and it's bothering him. The cat seems to like it more than the dog. He's very quick on picking them up. He's learned. He's actually come and stood here and like stood in attention and waiting for him to come out. So you can turn it around like that. And then to record, so let me record one. So you start the recording. This is recording on my phone, by the way. So also inside the app, you go to settings, and then inside the settings is everything you need. You can have, you know, alert notifications, feeding settings, so you can change the settings to have it to do timing. You can have motion tracking. I turned that off because I like being able to just feed them on my own and then talk to them through the camera. There's a device share, so you could share this with multiple people that uses the unit at one time. You can take pictures. You can take a lot of different stuff. There's so many different options with this. It has worked flawlessly, and I've been nothing but impressed with how well this thing works. That's all I got today on the Meowant Wi-Fi pet feeder. Check this thing out. Look, they're still waiting for this. You guys want one more? Let's do one more. Let's do one more on our way out. And there you go. See you guys in the next video. Woo!